Hi friends, today we are going to start a very basic chapter of English grammar which generally students learn from their standard 4th, 5th till graduation and the post graduation also. It is very needful and necessary for every person. Friends, the name of the chapter is Parts of Speech. As in Marathi, in English also, we have got 8 parts of speech, which they are. See on the board. First is noun. First is noun. Second, pronoun. Third, verb. Fourth, adverb. Fifth, adjective. Sixth, preposition. Seventh, conjunction. And the last, eighth one is interjection. So these are the 8 parts of speech. To learn it by heart, I have specially with a special manner abbreviated them NPVAA, NPVAA, PCI. N means noun, P pronoun, V verb, A adverb, A adjective, P preposition, C conjunction, I interjection. Means P N P V A A P C I. If any child or anyone say this short form of it, then later on, as they bring in their practice, they will easily learn. So now, friends, we have to go for the definition of noun. Noun is PPT. In short, noun is PPT. Means what? Noun is the name of person, place and thing. Noun is PPT. Mean noun is the name of person, place and thing. Okay. And then we move to the pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is nothing but the word which we use instead of noun. Instead of noun, it is to be underlined. Pronoun is the word used instead of noun. Okay. And later on, verb denotes the action, adverb qualifies verb or it adds something to the verb, adjective qualifies to the noun or adds something to the noun. We will learn in the next phase. But to present phase, today we have, focusing on what are the parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech, which they are N, P, V, A, P, C, I. This only. N, noun, P, pronoun, V, verb, A, adverb, A, adjective, P, preposition, C, conjunction, I, interjection. This short form should be remembered. Friends, now we have to only study about the 2 items from that is noun and pronoun. Name of the person, place and thing. See, Rama eats a mango. What is Rama? Rama is the name of person. Sita is the name of person. Rahul is the name of person. So this is name of the person. I live in London. London is the place, name of the city. Person, place. Sita again, person. That is table. Table is also noun because it is the thing. So here it completes the definition of noun with the proper example. Now the same sentences we will choose again for having the better clarity about pronoun. So Rama is a mango. He likes mangoes too much. You see that every time we cannot say that Rama is a mango. Rama likes mangoes too much. Rama comes here. Rama go there. Every time we cannot say Rama, 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 Rama. Instead of Rama, we have to use he there as it is masculine gender and singular one. So we use there he. But for Sita then we must have to use she. For London, it is the name of the city. For table, it. For boy, he. For girl, she. For boys, they. In this manner, for plural form of any type, we use the they as a pronoun. So friends, it is very enough today that how many parts of speech are there in English? There are 8 parts of speech in English, and which they are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Finish. So again, shall we repeat it again? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Or in brief, NPVAA PCI. Okay, thank you.